What's up, everybody? This is me, Jake from Jake Steves, and today I'm going to do a review on the Guardians of the Galaxy. So there was this Groot that you would be able to meet up with. It was really cool, but I didn't get to meet up with him. That's sad. But you know what? You're going to be able to see a little bobblehead of Groot, and it's going to start. It's a video, and you're going to start right now.
We were swimming this for like 20 minutes. Take a piece off of it.
Some were heroes, and there was this little thing that I think is for Infinity War. Picture of the collector, and it was really cool. You were able to go inside. So now there's going to be a video of you going inside.
Welcome, distinguished guests, to your Animatronics collection.
Oh, look at all the stuff there.
Comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and collectibles in the galaxy.
Hey, you guys
See in the flesh my acquisitions. The Guardians of the Galaxy. This is all your fault.
Oh, at least we get a really cool sign. Check that out. Oh, man, they got my name wrong. It's not Peter Quill. It's Star Wars. Oh, they do call me the leader. Yes. I thought the tour sounded fun. What name do they call me? Drax Destroyer. That's correct. Got his name right. Sorry.
all the way up.
And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tanya Tavon's private office.
Some collector item that looked like Thor armor, but you're going to watch a video clip of the elevator. Where are we going, though, right? What's this? Whoa, it looks even better than before. More creepy stuff.
The Walkman up there. The Walkman right there. That belongs to...
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that I'm letting you this guy. Arrogant, excessive flattery on a constant big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ouch! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Rocket, I bet you he's going to be walking around and get caught.
Watch the step.
Are you kidding me? Someone puts that again. Easter eggs, collector items that the collector collected, and there was one that was from one of the other attractions that me and my family spotted. You were supposed to raise your hand in order to go on the ride, and I went on the ride finally, and then it was amazing and awesome, and then after that I saw Groot.
I am Groot.
We saw.
Everybody dance. Hi. We have to go on back to Mom. Yeah. Thank you.
See you guys next time. Peace out and bye.